Hello everyone, my name is Pooja and I'm studying in first year of EC department. The innovative idea on which I'm going to discuss about is smart food storage system. So in the present era of 21st century, due to rapid advancement in technology, where it has become quite difficult to manage our day-to-day lives, smart food storage system refers to an innovative idea where different food items are stored in containers attached with different sensors. Now, these sensors continuously monitor the items present inside the containers and send the sensor data to the central hub for processing it, and it is then integrated to the mobile phones through an application. Data processed is been sent to the application in the mobile phone, and so the user can have an idea about different food items present in the house and also consume those food items before the date of expiry when they are fresh. If the food items have crossed its expiry date or if it is nearby to it, then the user gets the reminder through the app, and so wastage of food is being prevented. This smart food storage system also provides recipe suggestions based on the food items present. It also helps the user during grocery shopping because it generates list of items already present and also the quantity of it. Now, there are some advantages and disadvantages associated with it. So, advantages of this system are as it gives expiry reminders before its expiry date, so it can prevent wastage of food, and also it can provide variety of recipes based on the food items present. As the system is integrated in mobile phone through the application, so user can access the data from any part and at any time. The disadvantages associated with it are as cost of sensors used here is high, so common people cannot afford it, and it is based on internet, so it can have some connectivity issues and also give false interpretation of data. Because of the use of sensors here, it can lead to environmental pollution. So this was my idea about smart food storage system, and some changes can be brought to it while implementing it. Thank you.